Yung nasa 15, ito 30 na. Sinasabi ko,
okay.
sa loob ng 30 na rin. Ay!
Ensure Ponferrada has been sent out. We'll clarify if he was ejected because let's remember also that prior to the start of the season, nagkaroon tayo ng rule change na dalawang technical and a flagrant. It's a combination of 3 different violations. And so, si Ponferrada straight to the dugout. Di nakabalita ka doon kung ano ang pataw kay Ponferrada.
Nagkaroon na siya ng dalawang technical kanina. Remember there was a double technical
Yes,
foul?
correct.
So, the combination of 2 technicals plus 1 flagrant means you're ejected. So, yun ang bagong patakaran ng PBA. Dati-dati kasi, dalawa. Pero ngayon, dinagdagan pa ng isa. But already with 2 technical fouls plus 1 flagrant